Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying your laptop supports Thunderbolt 3 or 4 and has the latest BIOS and Thunderbolt firmware. This avoids device negotiation errors. Once done, plug the dock into its power brick and confirm a steady LED. Then connect the Thunderbolt cable directly to the laptop port. Avoid passive USB-C adapters because they can block PCIe tunneling. Make sure any required Thunderbolt security prompts appear and approve the dock, so the host enumerates peripherals. You now route monitors and peripherals through the dock. Start by connecting displays to the dock's display port or HDMI outputs. If using multiple displays on a single port, enable DisplayPort MSD in the monitor menu and OS. Next, attach wired Ethernet, your keyboard, mouse, and any external drives to the appropriate ports so power and bandwidth are balanced. Then open your operating system's display and network settings to set resolutions. Identify primary screens and confirm Ethernet is the active adapter when needed. You finish by checking that the dock supplies the expected power delivery and that your laptop is charging. Look for a charging icon and battery percent increase. Then test connected USB devices for correct speeds and confirm monitor refresh rate and scaling. If anything fails, reboot with the dock connected, and if problems persist, update the dock firmware and host drivers using HP's Support Assistant or the OS Update tool. This single step resolves many handshake and hub enumeration problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.